everyone, so welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I actually sat down and filmed a video, precisely maybe 2 to 3 months. I was doing really well all throughout the summer and then I went back to uni and life just got in the way basically. Yeah, so it's been a little while, but that's fine, you know, I keep trying. Here I am with a really exciting video actually. I've always wanted to do sort of like an unboxing video. I didn't really know whether to film this as like a sit down video or like a vlog, but I have chosen to do it like this because I wasn't doing anything else exciting today in order for me to vlog. So here we are. Anyway, long story short, I am doing a cake unboxing video today, which is so exciting for me. So some of our really close friends have just started their own gluten-free bakery business, all done like in their kitchen of their own home and everything. They've got like Facebook page, Instagram, website, which obviously I'll put everything in the description below for you to go and have a look at, of course. But yeah, basically all gluten-free and dairy-free products on the website, and I'm going to be unboxing a couple of their new flavours, which very kindly they have made especially for me. And also, which is lovely, is that they have given me a discount code, which I believe is Emily15. I'll obviously double check and put that in the description and put it on the screen as well. I'm pretty sure it's Emily15, which gives you 15% off, which is amazing. And I think that lasts, it will sort of, you can use it as many times as you want, I believe, up until around Christmas time, which is amazing. So I will definitely be ordering some more yummy goodies. I have been honestly so excited to open these all morning. I've been literally had to go to Tesco's and I was like, oh, I just can't wait. And I really wanted to film it today just so that we could sort of snack on them in my house this evening, which is why I decided to do like a sit down video rather than a vlog, because, you know, I'm not doing anything today because here I am at home, back from uni. I just don't even know where to start. I guess we just peel them open, you know. Exciting times. And actually, maybe I should show you the packaging first, that might be nicer. So I'll just show you the packaging before I absolutely devour in here. It comes in these cute little cardboard boxes, which is great for the environment, you know. With the lovely little pretty blue ribbon. It's like Tiffany blue, which is literally like my favourite colour blue, which is obviously a bonus. Yeah, and they, when you get them posted to you as well, they come wrapped in brown paper, so everything's like protected, you know. And they also come with their little logo sticker on. Now I will try and come forward and show you this, but my camera's being very temperamental with its focusing. So let's hope that this is in focus as I'm talking right now. Okay, so we've managed to bring the box closer just so you can have a good look. Here is their logo sticker, which is cute, you know, the box is sealed off with that, and just a little bit of sellotape obviously to help keep the box secure. And then the really pretty little, oh excuse my hair, the pretty little blue bow as well. And I'm going to go back over there and sit down so that I can open this yummy box of goodies. Oh, I just don't want to undo it, it just looks so pretty. I think I'll start by undoing the bow. The bow is off, so I'm just going to go straight in, you know. I can't remember which flavour this one was. And it's amazing they all obviously come packaged up in here. And I will just bring this closer for you to see as well. Because it's like a gluten-free, oh, that's just hitting me right in the head. Because it's like a gluten-free bakery, it's great. They do like these little stickers on all of their orders just to let you know what is actually in them. Just in case you're allergic to anything. Obviously these ones gluten-free and dairy-free, but they do contain egg just in case anyone's like allergic to that. And they also obviously have the date that they have been made. And yeah, so that's probably all for this section. Now it's time to actually open. So these ones are the toasted marshmallow flavour, which that is probably a perfect flavour for this time of year. Now she did say to me the best way to get them out if they're slices, which these ones are, is to slide them all the way out the box. and just open them up, I guess. Okay, so I have got to the stage where I'm about to remove their cute little logo stickers again, which they seal the packaging that they come inside of in the box. Ooh, oh, they look so good. I don't know the best way to show you. I'm just lost a bit on the side. Hopefully you can kind of see. So this is the toasted marshmallow flavour. I'm guessing this is like the flavouring on top, so it will taste like icing sugar. And unfortunately I did lose a little bit of the top of the cake just here, but I mean, I'm not bothered about that in the slightest. And then if I just turn them around, you can kind of see what they look like from the side. So they've got a layer of icing in the middle. And yeah, and then just show you one more time up close. So you get 12 cake slices in total when you order the slices on the website, and I think there's several different flavours of the slices available, if that makes sense, including the new toasted marshmallow flavours. Yeah, so obviously I'm going to be taste testing these on camera, and I might see if I can get my dad in to try them with me. I think I have filmed some parts of these videos and it's been a bit out of focus. I'm really sorry about that. Hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully it's actually in focus now. I think the issue might be when I'm holding the cakes up, but hopefully you can get a kind of rough see. Have a look, and I will do like a separate little clip of the close-ups of the cakes before I eat them all. So yeah, so those were the toasted marshmallow ones, and like I said, it's a brand new flavour. I think she literally might have launched it on her website like last night or something, which was the 24th, October 24th, I believe. But like I said, everything to do with this I will put in the info box below for you, and we will move on to the next new flavour that she has done, and that is cherry bakewell, I believe. Maybe I should get prepared with the last box because I haven't opened this one either, so these smell even better. Whoa. So these are the cherry bakewell ones. I think I might have literally just said that. And they come with cherries on top too. Again, they smell delicious. If I show you the side, hopefully you'll be able to see. It's got like, I think it must be cherry filling inside. And again, you get 12 of these. And finally, which is something I have not tried yet, is a set of cupcakes. Now, I have already opened these to save the hassle of me opening them on camera again. These are chocolate honeycomb cupcakes. They look incredible. They've come with a little protective film on top of them, which I am now going to remove so that you can actually see. These look amazing. They've got the little GFB written on the front of them, so the gluten-free bakery, obviously. And they actually smell amazing. Actually, these smell the best out of them all. They all smell pretty good, but these I think must be the best ones. I'm going to take one out of the box for you to have a closer look at. They come in the cutest little packaging ever, all sticking with the theme of the blue for the company as well, which I love. It's all very consistent. And then yeah, it's got the GFB written on it, and quite frankly this smells quite beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing there. Just to tell you maybe a little bit more about the website, I know that she makes a selection of things, including cupcakes, cake slices and cake jars as well, which look so pretty. which you can find everything on the website that I'm going to link below for you. So also something that I think I forgot to mention a little bit earlier on in the video, but there is free UK shipping, which is great. So the price that you pay for whatever goodies you decide to get is covering your postage as well across the UK, wherever you live in the UK, which is great. So I can show you a lovely close-up of them. These are the cherry Bakewell slices. As you can see, there is one missing because I have eaten it. Okay, so here are the toasted marshmallow slices. As you can see, I've been the awkward person again and taken it from the middle. But at least then you can see like more of what it looks like inside. So it's just lovely layered slices with a little bit of icing in the middle. Then here are the chocolate honeycomb cupcakes. Just to clarify, you get 6 in a box, not 5, but I've eaten 1, so that is why there is only 5 in my box now. But yes, you get 6 cupcakes, and with the cake slices you get 12 slices of those. Right, so clearly I'm still alone. I could not get my dad to come in the video, but that's fine. We will let him off. So it's just me doing the taste test on my own. I have plated up a cherry Bakewell slice, a toasted marshmallow slice, and then I've just popped the cupcake on there. But yeah, we can keep them separate. So I'm going to try the toasted marshmallow slice first. Oh, that is lovely. I can already tell this one will be my favourite, but I will try not to show too much favouritism and move on to the cherry Bakewell slice, which also looks quite beautiful. Yeah. Ooh. There's little cherries. I'm just stuffing my face. Little cherries inside the filling as well. It doesn't beat the toasted marshmallow, but it's up there. My mum is going to love those. And if I'm like only eating half the cake on camera, just to be realistic, obviously I am going to be eating probably all 3 things as soon as I turn off my camera. But I don't want to look quite like that much of a pig in front of it. But just keeping it real. And now I'm going to try the cupcake. I'm actually just going to grab a plate with this as well. So this is the chocolate honeycomb one, which just looks like this. Hopefully you can see even though I'm quite far away. I never know where to begin with a cupcake. Also, I'm so blurry. I think that's okay. Yeah, I literally never know where to begin with a cupcake because your mouth is never quite wide enough to fit the whole thing in your mouth. So I guess I'm just going to have to attempt my best here. Chocolate on my hand now. That's lovely. That is really nice. I'm now like a child that's been let loose in the cake cupboard. I've got chocolate icing all over my hands, all over my mouth probably, but that's good. Well, I hope you enjoyed my taste test there. Never something that's been done on my channel before, but there is a first time for everything. And I really hope that you've enjoyed this sort of unboxing video, and I really hope that you guys decide to try these amazing cakes out. So just a reminder, it is a gluten-free bakery and currently everything on the website is also dairy-free. The gluten-free bakery also offers free UK postage, which is amazing, and obviously I've got a discount code for 15% off, which is, I think, an unlimited use, and you can sort of use it all the way up until Christmas on like all of your orders. So yeah, 15% off, and the code is Emily15. Again, I will put it in the description box, I'll put it on screen, I will link all of the gluten-free bakery's social media, and it would mean a lot to them, and it would mean a lot to me as well if you would check it out, just because the cakes really are delicious. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this style of video. It's like a bit different for me, but not that different also because I love baking, love cakes, so that's quite normal for me. But yeah, everything will be in the description below, and I really hope you decide to try them out. Thanks for watching. Bye!